Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. The Flowmaster American Thunder Catback Exhaust Systems gives your Silverado or Sierra 1500 a classic sound while adding a modern performance style look to the back half of your truck. This system is a direct bolt-on kit that is constructed out of Mandrel Brent 409 stainless steel. There is no modification required to fit this kit in place. All that is needed is to remove the factory system and then add some American Thunder to your truck. The inlet pipe will lead back to the Super 40 series muffler with the dual 2.5-inch tailpipes that have the dual 4-inch black ceramic coated tips, giving you a modern muscle look. Installation is going to require us to cut the factory system, but other than that, going back together will be easy. We're going to start by removing the factory exhaust. This can be done by loosening the clamp holding the factory extension pipe. The clamp will be removed and reused when we install the Flowmaster system. Remove the extension pipe from the rubber hanger. We are going to cut the factory exhaust just in front of the muffler. This will allow us to remove the factory extension pipe. Now we can remove the pipe. Remove the two rubber hangers holding the rear section of the factory muffler. To remove the driver's side tailpipe, remove the two bolts holding the pipe to the cross section of the exhaust. Then remove the 15mm bolt holding the mounting bracket to the frame. Then carefully remove the tailpipe section. For the remaining muffler and tailpipe section, remove the 15mm bolt holding the mounting bracket to the frame. Remove the mounting bracket and work the muffler assembly over the rear axle to remove as one piece. Since the Flowmaster system does come with new exhaust tips, the factory tips will be removed. Remove the 3 screws holding the tip to the rear bumper assembly. There is 1 screw on each side of the tip and 1 at the top of the tip. This will be done on both sides of the bumper with each tip. Going back together, we are going to reuse the factory ball clamp to hold the Flowmaster extension pipe. Install the clamp and pipe using the rubber hanger to hold them in place. Then snug the clamp in place to hold the pipe. Install the provided clamp to the extension pipe and then install the Super 40 series muffler in place. Continuing the installation, install the provided clamps to the backside of the Flowmaster muffler. Then install both of the over-axle pipes in place, one leading to the passenger side and the other to the driver's side. On the passenger side, install the provided clamp on the over-axle pipe. Then install the tailpipe using the factory mount. Repeat the same process on the driver's side with the proper components. With everything in place and the tips adjusted to where we want them, we can now tighten down all the clamps and brackets in their final location. There you have it, guys. Now we have the classic American Thunder sound with a modern performance style. The Super 40 series muffler gives us a great growl, and the large 4-inch black ceramic coated tips finish the system off nicely. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.